This is a great lettuce to grow using the Kratky method, and we're going to tell you about it today. This lettuce is called Red Sales, and it's available from Johnny Seeds. And some of the things that we really like about it is that it tastes phenomenal. It's got some crunch to it. It grows quickly, but most importantly is it keeps coming back. We could actually keep harvesting it, and that doesn't get bitter. So it's actually one of the lettuces that we would consider to be foolproof. It's something that just keeps coming, and you can have fresh lettuce at home all the time. We use the Kratky method, which is a passive hydroponics method to grow our leafy greens at home all year long. It doesn't require any pumps or motors. It's very scalable. You can do it either in an individual jar, or you could do it in a 3-gallon container like you see here, where you could do multiple heads of lettuce or various types of herbs. We're actually even working on ways to do it on a commercial scale. So we'll talk about doing it in a jar, but doing it on a larger scale is very similar. One of the other reasons that I really like growing our lettuce and herbs indoors is I don't have to fight off bunnies and deer, and also watering. Outdoors, if we don't have rain for a week or a few days even, I've got to go out and constantly water. So the lettuce and herbs that we grow indoors taste better, they grow faster, I can pick them whenever I want. One of the other advantages is that your home typically has the right temperatures and humidity levels. So a temperature in that 60 to 80 degree range, which is where our homes are, is perfect for plant growing. And humidity levels of 40 to 60% is also good for plant growth. So you don't need a greenhouse. You can actually, your home is your indoor greenhouse. What you're going to need to grow using the Kratky method is basically a largemouth canning jar, a net pot, which is a 3-inch diameter net pot, which drops beautifully into the canning jar. You're going to need some hydroponic clay pellets. You're going to need the nutrients, hydroponic nutrients. We actually like Maxi Grow, which is the easiest to start with, although there's many other nutrients you could use. And you're going to need a sock. And the reason for the sock is basically you need to cover the jar so you don't get light into it. If you got light into it, you may end up getting algae. What's also really important is that you have a high quality LED grow light. So we use the Procyon 2.0 for growing all of our greens. This is our 33-inch version. There's also a 17-inch version that's available. And we use a timer to turn it on for about 16 to 18 hours a day. This 33-inch light, which you would probably hang either on a baker's rack or a bookshelf, will allow you to plant up to 24 jars under the light. So you could see, you could have 24 different types of plants or the same kind of plants, whatever you'd like. We're going to walk through the process of actually planting a Kratky jar with some lettuce. What we do is we start with a largemouth canning jar. I have a gallon of water that I basically put the nutrients into already. I put a teaspoon of this Maxi Grow into the gallon container and mix it up. So basically that teaspoon will provide nutrients for 4 of these jars. So the first step is to take the canning jar, and I'm going to fill it with water right up to this lip. Because what we found is if you get it up to that lip and then you put your net pot with your clay pellets on it into it, that it will keep the clay pellets moist. So now we're right up to that lip. Now I take my net pot, and it's got these little hydroponic clay pellets in it, and I'm going to drop it in there. And I'm going to take the little screw-on cap and screw it in. So now what happens is the water level basically comes to the top. I'm going to take a couple of pellets off, and then I'm going to take about 5 or 6 seeds and spread them around the top of the clay pellets. You want to put the water into the jar first as opposed to pouring it in so that the seeds don't get washed through. I'm going to put the clay pellets back on there. And so we are basically planted. Now, I am going to take, this is actually an ankle sock, but basically we normally use just a black sock. And we're going to put that on, and that's to prevent the light from getting into the jar so you don't get algae growth onto your roots. For growing passive hydroponics or Kratky method lettuce, you want your light to be somewhere between 8 and 10 inches above the lettuce plant. So what you would do is you would start somewhere like that, and as the lettuce gets a little bigger, you could raise it a little bit, but in general, that's a really good height to start with. And we use a timer to turn it on for about 16 to 18 hours a day. You can have it on either during the day or at night, whatever works for you. One of the questions we often get is, when should we water and what should we water with? And the answer is you should always use nutrient water. So pretty much what we started with in this container is some nutrients in the water. You do exactly the same thing. So you take your nutrient water, and then when the water level gets down to that last ½ an inch to an inch, you add water back. But when you do, the one most important thing is you never fill the water up above the bottom of the net pot, because the plants are getting their oxygen in this area, this root area. And that's one of the reasons that this Kratky method is so ingenious, because it doesn't require the aeration and the pumps as long as you don't fill it all the way back up. After 3 to 4 weeks under the light, what you will see, this is actually about a 4-week plant, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to unscrew it and lift it up so you could sort of see it looks like almost like a Santa Claus beard. So what happens is the roots will actually follow the water level down and then just absorb the nutrient water. So whenever you're ready to harvest your lettuce, there's several ways of doing it. One is on a lettuce like this, which sort of keeps coming back, what you could do is just pick the leaves that you'd like and just pinch them off, or you could get a set of scissors. For instance, on this one, if you had a party at the home, at your home, what you can do is you can take the entire head and cut it off, and you can just replant using your passive hydroponics method, and it will come back in a matter of 3 to 4 weeks. If the lettuce that you're growing starts to become a little bit bitter, the red scales happens to last a long time, but some lettuces will start getting a little bitter, you know it's time to restart. So at that point, you harvest it and use it, or you can just start over at that point. What you would do is you would start by cleaning the container and the net pots and everything else. There is a video that we'll link that will give you more details on how to do the cleaning. And it's very quick and simple, and you will be up and running in a matter of minutes to an hour. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more information on indoor gardening. We'll see you next time.